So we got a character, and this is the same exact object, it's just painted differently, but you know, it's going to work for comparison. So in one cup we're going to pour just a straight silicone, and the other one we're going to mix it plus mineral spirits. And this one right here we just adding the regular silicone just like we normally would. Alright, so now we're going to take us some mineral spirit and put it 1-to-1 with the mixed silicone right there. And just to give ourselves plenty of room, I'm going to take the silicone, put it into a big cup, and then add the mineral spirits to it. And basically all this is doing really is to thin the silicone. And you got to mix this up really good until it's very thin, nice even distribution and thin consistency. So we got the regular version of the mold right there, and then we got the mineral spirit thin version right there. We're going to let these cure. It looks like we have it cured. The regular silicone cured in about 4 hours, but this one right here that was thinned with the mineral spirits, it took that thing several more hours. In fact, after this one was done cured, this one was still just running, like you could rotate it. And I thought that it was not going to cure, but I just let it, you know, sit overnight, and it finally did. But you will notice that anytime you thin it with that mineral spirit, it is much softer. Okay, whenever you go to remove your object from the mold, you got to be more careful with this one than you do with this one. Alright, so now we got us 2 molds of the same object. On the left is the regular mold, and on the right is the shrink mold, we're going to call it. That's the one that has been thinned with mineral spirits. And now what we're going to do is to just let this thing sit and just shrink on down a little bit. So now I'm going to test out the little mold. And remember, the way that we did this, that's the regular mold. That's what that little man came out of. And this right there is the mold that we mixed the silicone with the mineral spirits and poured it up. And I just been letting it sit. And it's supposedly going to shrink down. It looks like it has decreased in size right there. And also, this don't look as dramatic because I poured it bigger in the cup than I did that one anyway, if y'all remember. It may not be as dramatic as the large mold, but it did. That's pretty neat. But let's go ahead and pour us up a little and see how big a difference that it made. That's pretty neat right there.